Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to set up a live shipping rate plugin by ShipVista.com. Before we get started, ensure your current PHP version is 7.4 or above and your WordPress version is higher than 5. Let's get right into it. You can download ShipVista Live Shipping Rates plugin from WordPress.org plugin page and link is in the description. Or you could go to WordPress admin dashboard or WP admin. On the left hand side, locate plugins. Click on add new. This should navigate you to install plugin page. Search for ShipVista. You should find ShipVista Live Shipping Rate plugin. Click on install now. After we install it, click on activate. Scroll down under install plugins and search for ShipVista. You should see the plugin has been successfully installed and activated. Now you can click on settings here, or you could go to WooCommerce settings page and then click on shipping and then click on ShipVista Live Shipping Rates. Scroll down and you should see a form to link your ShipVista account. Fill in email address and password here. If you don't have an account, you can click on register now button. This will navigate you to ShipVista's official website. Please check out my video on how to create an account on the ShipVista platform. After you sign up, enter your login credential in this form. Make sure to check enable shipping checkbox. Click on connect store. As you can see, login was successful. At the time of recording this video, this plugin is in its early release stage. If you face any problems while using this plugin, please click on the feedback link to provide us feedback. The next step is to do quick setup of plugin. Let's quickly see how to set up carrier service providers. You can click on the arrow icon under the setup carriers. Alternatively, you can click on carriers under the navigation menu. At the time of recording this video, ShipVista supports Canada Post, UPS and CanPar as shipping and fulfillment partners. However, more carriers like Purolator and USPS will be added to this plugin in future updates. To enable these carriers, you can click on the switch to enable or disable all the shipping services provided by the given carrier. Disabled services will not appear when the rates are displayed, so you can pick and choose which service to show or hide. I'm going to leave it in its default state and click on Save Settings. You can change other preferences by navigating to the settings page under the navigation menu. Following are some basic configuration settings that define how rates will be displayed to the customer. Fallback rate. Under basic, you can set a fallback rate for shipments if the service you selected is not available for a given shipment address in that country. Some retailers set it to 100, but I will set it to 50. You can choose your fallback rate as per unit quantity or total order. I choose per unit quantity. Shipping margin. This is the percentage of margin you want to add to shipping rates before displaying to the customer. I will set it 10. Handling time. It is the number of days for the item to be ready for pickup. Let me set it to 2. Next option is free shipping. This enables a free shipping option for customers based on predefined calculations. Free shipping max amount. This is the maximum amount for free shipping above which customer will have to pay the balance. Let's see how this setting affects the shipping rates and what is the difference we see if this field left blank or set a value 10. Well, leaving it with a blank value for the time being and see the rates on the checkout. Click on Save Settings. Let me duplicate this tab. Go to the cards page. Note down the rates before we set any value to free shipping max amount field. Now let's go back to settings page and set the value to 10. Click on Save Settings and refresh the cards page. As you can see, rates are visible after applying free shipping max amount and the difference is quite evident. Next option is free shipping days. This is the additional handling time due to free shipping. Let's set it to 2. Enable pickup. This will enable pickup services for your products. Pickup note. You can leave instructions for customers for an in-store pickup. Here, this is to set pickup address for your store. Now enable API logs. You can enable this option to log every shipping request made from your WooCommerce store. Click on Save Settings. ShipVista Live Shipping Rates plugin supports multi-warehouses by allowing you to add multiple warehouse locations under the Warehouse Locations option. By using this option, you can easily add your warehouse addresses by providing country name, state and zip code. Click on Add Location. You can set multiple delivery addresses and this can be any country like USA, Canada, Germany. Here, you can give any nickname to your warehouse location. Select any country like the Canada, USA, Germany, Poland, anyone. Select state. You can write zip code. You can also add delivery locations in any countries of the world. Let me select Canada itself. You can add multiple states and countries as well as delivery locations. You can add zip codes if you know the exact zip codes of the customers in advance, or I leave it blank. Click on Save Address. You can edit, clone or delete addresses here. Similarly, you can set the dimensions of your product under the dimension menu. By default, size and weight are measured in metric scale or in centimeter and kg respectively. I have set length as 2.5, width as 2 cm, height as 1 cm and weight as 1 kg. Click on Save Settings. If you want to restrict shipments to specific postal or zip codes, add them to restricted postal codes. For that, navigate to the Restrictions menu. You can enter multiple postal or zip codes as comma-separated values in the given text field. Now click on Custom Setting to set up custom shipping methods to use in addition to live rates from. The plugin offers free or flat rate shipping that makes this plugin a must-have plugin for your WooCommerce store. Give a meaningful shipping display name as this name will be visible to your customers. After your settings, click on Add Shipping Method. This plugin supports Google Places API, and to enable it, navigate to Third-Party APIs menu. You will have to provide Google Places API key, which can be retrieved from Google API console. Click on the switch to enable this feature and paste your Google Place API key in the given text field and click on Save Settings. Now let me navigate to my products page. I will add one item to the cart and navigate to the checkout page. As you can see, now I can view the live shipping rates on my checkout page. Thank you for watching this video, and I will be back with more educational content on ShipVista.com.